Hi guys, welcome back. I've got gold for you here, and had a few tests of this 13, 20, 25 area, and just struggled up there. We just lost trading at 13.15. It is pretty quiet, to be honest, but after the big impulsive move that we had to the upside after this period of consolidation here and this sort of basing formation, we have just sort of began to struggle here. If you have a look at the lows, they were pretty much about 1311, something like that. So just sort of $5 shy of where we are at the moment, and a couple of dollars shy of where we've been down to today. The low's been about 1313. You can see your Bollinger Band's really flat. This is hourly, so obviously it's short-term stuff here. I had drawn this trend line last week for you. We had come down to test it a little bit here. It was only a couple of points before, but nevertheless I connected these 2 points, and we did have a bit of a test, but nothing too dramatic, and then quick push to the upside, $40 in that single hourly candlestick there, and then failing up at these lines. And this is your sort of neckline here of a potential little short-term triple top, and you can see it comes in pretty much at the same level as this trend line, a fraction below. You know, a few dollars here or there in gold is nothing when you can have a move like $40 within a single hour here. So the trend line currently comes in at 1310, just a fraction below this previous low. So watch for any potential little breaks below this level, and we could be heading south on the short-term basis. It's as I said, it's pretty quiet. We've pushed higher, but a break and a close, proper close below here. And let's just zoom out here, because I've been watching this longer-term trend line here. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. This descending trend line, which we broke above last week, let's see where it comes in. It comes in about 12.95. I'm not necessarily going to push there aggressively, but that's probably the next support level that I'm looking down, because it's also the 61.8 retracement of the most recent swing to the upside after this period of consolidation, when we started pushing aggressively up last Thursday. Went from 12.74. We've got up to 1325. Having a look at some other fib retracements, you've got 1300, which was really the support level I was looking at last week immediately after we broke that, and that's pretty much the level that we got down to. As you can see, I think we got down to about 1303, something like that. So potentially a bit of support there, but probably stronger support as we head down towards the low 1290s. To the upside, very clear that we've got resistance here. If I just take you over to the 4-hourly chart here, you can see that this 38.2 retracement of the swing of the move down, medium-term move down from end of August, 1433, down to the recent low that we saw at 1251. That the 38.2 retracement comes in at 1321, and that is really where we have struggled over the last few days. I brought that to your attention last week. It was also similar region highs here. We got slightly higher, got up to about 27. That was on the 8th of October. But you can see this is your first resistance point. You've had attempts, and just not managing to. So maybe there's a bit of a test to the downside. So either way, 1325 is your 2025 area, is your clear short-term resistance now. And just taking you back to the hourly chart here, 1310 is your potential little trend line breakout support, and below that looking for the low 1290s as your next slightly stronger support, with probably interim support coming in between 1299 and 1305 as well.